Hey kids, keep arguing. Don't worry, you'll stop eventually.
You're taking a shower again? Didn't you take one last week?
Why are you reading that book? You know they made that into a movie, right?
So the dentist told you to brush and floss. What a waste of time! Are you doing homework? Lame!
You didn't finish all your veggies? Neither did I.
Okay, I know it's a school night, but why are you going to sleep so early? You're leaving crumbs all over the table. Just blow on it, and they'll go away. Take your time putting your shoes on. I got all day.
Whoa, take your jacket off. I know it's cold out, but it's good for you.
Okay. Oh, you need help with your math homework. Oh wow, this is exactly how I learned it when I was a kid. Why are you looking out the window? And why aren't you looking at your phone?
Are your hands dirty? Don't worry, just wipe them on this wall.
Oh, Deadpool. That sounds like a good family-friendly movie to watch.
Good night. Oh, and don't forget to wake me up in the middle of the night for a glass of water, okay?
Hey guys, I made pizza for breakfast.
You need $10? Sure. Take 100 and spend the rest on candy.
Oh, are you going out? Okay, make sure you stay out as late as possible. Don't even bother calling us.
Whose fingerprints are these? And how come you didn't cover the whole mirror?
Check out this TikTok I just made.
Oh, can we stop at McDonald's?
Sure, we don't have any food at home. Let's go.
Yes!
Oh, Dad, can you drive me to my friend's house?
What? No! Here, take my car keys, you drive.
I don't have a driver's license.
Right! In that case, you're gonna need this. Wow! There's nothing to eat in the fridge. Okay, listen, when I'm having a bad day, I ask myself, what would Charlie D'Amelio do?
Hey, Dad. So I was wondering, could I get an earring?
Did you ask your mother? Actually, don't worry about it. Go ahead.
Awesome, thanks!
Why are all the lights off?
Are we there yet?
Oh, actually we are.
Are you serious?